In this video, I'm going to explain solving the linear equations in two variables. As you understand, first degree equation with two variables, it is called linear equation in two variables. And they must be two different variables. Y and X is example here, and I'm going to try to explain everything better on the example. And find the 5 ordered pairs satisfy the equation. Y is equal to X plus 4, it says. And X values are given. So I'm going to find Y values. It means that one of them must be given for us. We are going to take the X value and we are going to find the Y value. Otherwise, there are infinitely many values for this equation. Okay, if Y is equal to X plus 4, Y is equal to X plus 4. And if X is equal to 0. If X is equal to 0, this implies that Y is equal to, here it was equal to X plus 4. That's why this is going to be 0 plus 4. That's equal to 4, which means Y is equal to 4. I'm writing the solution here, Y is equal to 4. The first coordinate then, it's going to be equal to 0 and 4. If X is equal to given value, I'm choosing the given value, X is equal to 1. This is given in the question. Y is equal to 1 plus 4, it must be X plus 4, 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. So this means that Y is equal to 5. When X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 5. Then the coordinate of the ordered pair is 1 and 4. It's going to be. Okay. If X is equal to 2, this is given here again. If X is equal to 2, it means that Y is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. It's going to be. That means that Y is equal to 6. And ordered pair is 2 and 6. It's going to be. The rest of them, they are going to be classwork for us. Now we are going to learn the graphing linear equation. And as we understand from the name, if we are going to draw this graph, the equation, the graph of the equation, it must be line. So I'm going to draw a line. And for drawing the line, these steps we must apply. Firstly, we are going to select some points that satisfy the equation. How to select this one? I'm going to choose some X values. X values are, I'm going to choose -1, 0, and 1 because it's easy to do operation with these values. Then I'm going to replace these values in the equation. I'm going to find Y values, what are they? Then I'm going to make ordered pairs, and when I'm going to put them in the coordinate plane, and I'm going to draw our line. Okay, the output values here, it's going to be, we are going to find like this. Y is equal to 2x plus 3, we know that one. If X is equal to -1, then Y is equal to 2 times -1 plus 3, it's going to be, because the Y is equal to that one, and that's equal to -2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. So the output value, the first value is -1 and 1, it's going to be -1 and 1. This is the first coordinate. And the second coordinate, if X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to, here, then Y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 3, which is equal to 2 times 0 plus 3, 2 times 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 3, then the answer is going to be equal to 3. And if X is equal to 1, then this is going to be Y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2 plus 3, and it's equal to 5. So it means that these are the Y values. It's going to be, by the way, Y is equal to 1, 3, and 5. Y is equal to 1, 3, and 5. Then the ordered pairs are, with respect to this one, ordered pairs are 0 and 3, 1 and 5. It's going to be. Okay, now I'm going to locate these points in the coordinate plane. This is the second step. And the second step, I'm going to locate the points in the coordinate plane. At the second step, I'm going to plot the points in the coordinate plane. And which points are here? -1 and 1. -1 and 1 here, -1 and 1. This is the first point. And the second point is 0 and 3. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. This is the second point. Here, this is the first point. What is the first point? -1 and 1. -1 and 1. The second point is, here it is. This is the point 0 and 3. And the last one is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. So the coordinate of the point, this point, it's going to be, it's equal to 1 and 5. Now I'm going to draw our line with respect to this given point. Here I'm going to use this line, that's why it's going to be easy for me to draw that one, but let me do like this. Here the line passing through this 3 point is, because these are collinear points, also later we are going to learn this definition. This is the line passing through this points. It's going to be here. This is the graph of the line it's going to be, and here this is the line, and the name of this line, it's going to be, name of this line, it's going to be equal to y is equal to 2x plus 3. As you see, our points are on the line. For this question, I'm going to draw the graph of y is equal to 3x plus 5, and I know that this is linear equation, that's why the graph is going to be line, and I need 2 points only. And for the easy operation, input values, x values, I'm going to choose as -1 and 0. These are, then I'm going to find the output values, y values, and I'm going to make the ordered pairs, and the last step, I'm going to connect these points. Okay, when x is equal to, if x is equal to -1, it means that y is equal to 3x, y is equal to, we know that 3x plus 5, that means that y is equal to 3 times -1 plus 5 it's going to be, which is equal to -3 plus 5, which is equal to 2 it's going to be. So the output value for the y values, it's equal to 2, and the ordered pair is -1 and 2 it's going to be. If x is equal to 0, this means that y is equal to 3 times 0 plus 5, which is equal to 0 plus 5, then it's going to be equal to 5. And our graph, it's going to be equal to, the coordinate is here, the point is 5, and the coordinate of this point is going to be 0 and 5. Let's locate the points on the coordinate plane. The first point is -1 and 2. This point, it's going to be, this point is 2, this point is -1, and this point is -1 and 2 it's going to be. The second point is 0 and 5. This is the second point, and this is 0 and 5 it's going to be. So here I'm going to draw the line. A bit thick and with different color, which is passing through these 2 points. It's going to be here. This is the graph of our line. It's going to be here. This is the graph of our line. It's going to be, and the name of this line is y is equal to 3x plus 5 going to be.